I'm here with Tammi Higgins from Lycored. Tammi, thank you very much for joining me. Shall we talk about stability? You've been looking at the stability of colours in yoghurt, for instance, haven't you?
Yes, one of the most important things that we'd like to share with our customers when they talk to us is the stability of colors in their products. So we've been doing specific application studies looking at the stability of the colors in the actual products. We just finished a study on fruit preserves and how they can be more true to fruit in color as well as stable in yogurt applications from the dairy perspective. So we looked at the stability of the color and the true to fruit kind of emphasis of our colors across our tomato red product line, which is going to give you the reds to pinks for strawberries and raspberries, as well as our Lyco Beta, which is our beta carotene based coloration, which can go anywhere from an orange color for like a peach to a yellow for a lemon. So we can give you the true to fruit color as well as the length of the stability when it's sitting on the shelf. And the added benefit of the colorations from Lycored are that they don't provide any bleeding between the mass and the coloration in the fruit preparation itself. A lot of times you'll see carmine has a tendency to bleed into the white mass. Anthocyanins have a tendency to bleed into the white mass, which consumers really don't like when they go to the supermarket. They don't want to see that kind of fade. It really kind of turns them off from a quality perspective. So we can show the consumer as well as the processors that our products create this nice clean line, whether it be a red or a yellow or an orange fruit, which means a nice stable color, and it's going to last that way throughout the entire shelf.
And you've also been doing some work in confectionery as well to replicate what you call this true fruit colour. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, so this is one of our more recent studies. So we actually just kicked it off about a week ago. So these are very new candies that we just produced, and we're just now putting them up into a stability study. We have a good indication that our products are going to last upwards of 12 months, but we actually want to push that out to 2 years. So we're doing accelerated shelf life to understand how our products are going to work in intense situations, from a warm environment to a very high light environment such as this. These products have been sitting here non-stop for 2 days in this high intense light, so you already have an indication of the nice stability you're going to get from the coloration. You can see the different variations in colors you can get to match up to the flavors, so that you do have that true to fruit color that you can then market to your consumers, which are going to be children, and you can kind of create a nice little relationship there.
And as well as authentic colours, stability is also crucial. So if we move on up to beverages, if you could tell us what you've been doing with stability in colours in beverages.
Sure. Beverages specifically, there's a lot of different things you have to think about with stability. You have to think about ringing, you have to think about the clarity of the color within the beverage, you have to think about the sedimentation, and then you have to think about the integrity of the color from fading. So we looked at all of those different elements across a 12-month period of time for both our lycopene-based colorants as well as our beta carotene-based colorants, and we've shown that our products can last in application for upwards of 12 months with very little fade, no ringing, as well as no sedimentation, and they stay either true to their cloudiness or true to their clarity into which they started.
That must be really useful for manufacturers. We're here at FIE. How have you found the show so far?
It's been really busy for us, which is very nice and exciting. First day we were non-stop. We really didn't have enough time to even stop and take a little breather. It's been really focused conversations, so we've been very pleased with the overall event so far.
Hopefully you'll see results from that as well. Tammi, thank you very much for joining us.